Okay, I'm gonna have to take my camera everywhere. Look at this. This is in the refrigerator of the hotel I'm at. This lets me know consulting, got me going into my consulting mode, that they did not turn off the refrigerator for a period of time so that the next client, customer, or person that comes in wouldn't have this big piece of ice mound. Have to go back out. See that? So look, I can't pull this out. This is something that should be done. All right, what else can I find? Because it's a big puck of ice, I can't take this down because the ice is stuck. So I have to figure out how to move it out of here. Be careful, make sure it's off. Unplugged before you do this, just in case you go through. See, I got the dingy bell. Your consultant of cleaning, healthiness, and wealthiness, Cynthia C. Today is March 4th. I'm not going to tell you the year.